everyone, I'm Miss Byrd and this is Freddie the Frog. Hi kids! Together we do letters and sounds attaining academic success while having fun. Oh yeah, it's good. You can join us from A to Z or you could just hop right in. Oh yeah, it's good. It's perfect for you kindergarten and first graders. Today's letter will be the letter T. You can get our worksheets at our Homeschool Byrd website, Homeschool Byrd with a Y. So be sure to click the thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell. And let's go. We always like to start with a song, and our favorite is Ziminy. Dun, dun. Let's go. Ziminy Z, yeah, Ziminy Z. Yes, indeed, it's such a marvelous day. Oh, yay, plenty of fun times headed our way. Ziminy Z, yeah, Ziminy Z. Oh, yay. Oh, it's always fun to start off with. And Freddie the Frog, he is just like you. He's learning how to write and sound, and he's learning to read, and he's going to be doing it with you kids as you do it. We all do it together. Yeah, good. And first we're doing T. Got it. Oh, he's got it. He's also my helper. He's learning and he helps. Yeah, good. And this is a worksheet you want to have out on your desk or table. Yeah. We first like to make the lines with our fingers. So here's letters, and here's, show us the pictures, Freddie. Good. Yep. And there you go. And the first thing we do is we like to make the letter lines on the worksheet. Oh, yeah. The letter lines. I got it. Oh, he was already pointing to it. That's the green grass bottom line. Kids, can you point to it with Freddie? It's a green arrow right there. Let's do it with our fingers first. So start here and go all the way across, tracing the green grass bottom line with your finger up. And next, kids and Freddie, point to the, oh, he's already, the red dot line. That's the red arrow. Yeah. Start here where you're pointing, kids, to the red arrow, and Freddie is. Yeah. And do a dotted line right in the middle. That's the red dot middle line. Lift. And next I want you to find the blue sky top line with a blue arrow. Kids, point with Freddie. Got it. And put your finger and make it across with your finger. Lift. That's it. Now we're going to use crayon. Yeah. Oh, this is, I know what this is going to do. The green. It's good. It's his favorite color. Yeah. Green frog, you know. And, oh, there you go. Point with Freddie with your green crayon. And go all the way across the green grass bottom line with your green crayon. Trace it to the other green arrow. Lift. Kids, you did it. You did the bottom, green grass bottom line. Next, on the count of 3, hold up your red crayon. 1, 2, 3, red crayon up. I got mine, you got yours. And, oh, Freddie, and point with Freddie to the red arrow. And make the red dot middle line all the way across to the red arrow. Lift. And the next one, remember, oh, he's already got the blue dot, the blue sky top line. Start at the blue arrow here with your blue crayon and follow it all the way across. Trace it to the other blue arrow. Lift. Kids, you just did it. You did the letter lines. Oh, it's good. Oh, thank you, Freddie. Yeah, he is a hard worker. Yeah. And next we're going to do the letter house. Now we start here with our fingers. Go ahead and start here with your finger. And that's a little teeny tiny baby house. And you're going to start here, and you're going to go straight up, stop here, and then go straight across the roof, past the chimney, and go the other side down the roof, and straight down the wall. And next we're going to make the basement. Oh no, it's underground. Yeah. Freddie's pointing to the basement. It's under the green grass line. Yeah. So go underground into the basement. Stop here And then the side of the basement goes straight back up to the little teeny tiny baby house. So you just made a letter house. Now, Freddie, can you get the other letter house we have done up? Yeah. Oh, he's so good. Thank you, Freddie. It's hard to pick things up, I think, sometimes. This is heavy lifting. We have to hold ours up. You kids could have it down on your table or desk. So here is the letter house that you just made. The basement. And kids, could you figure out, oh, he's thinking I'm going to say downstairs. Can you find out where the downstairs is? This is the downstairs of the house. And you go up the stairs to the upstairs. Yeah. And this is the upstairs of the house. And then they go back down the stairs. This is downstairs. Yeah. Freddie, can you point to the basement? Got it. That's it. This area is the basement. Go down the stairs to the basement. You see a bike here, some boxes. It even looks like somebody's working out. Dumbbells. But we want to go back upstairs to the downstairs. Take the stairs to the downstairs. Okay, point with it with like Freddie. Kids, point to downstairs. Good. Yeah. Point to upstairs. That's it. You got it. Now point back down to downstairs. Got it. That's it. And now point to the basement. That's it. Good job. Now let's get back to your, okay. Let's get back to the letter T, where you started. I think it's upside down, Freddie. Oh, there we go. There you go. So here's our house, the basement. And next we get to make the uppercase big letter T, T. Again, T, T. Okay. Freddie, can you find X marks the spot? There you go. Kids, point to X marks the spot. And use your yellow crayon. On the count of 3, hold your yellow crayon up. 1, 2, 3, yellow crayon up. Good. And start at X marks the spot like you found with Freddie. And trace a straight line down. Lift. And then you make the hat, the top part. All the way across. Lift. Good job. Looking good. Next, you want to take the orange up. 1, 2, 3, orange crayon up. Good. Good. And start at X marks the spot that Freddie showed you. Yeah. Here, straight down. Lift. Make the hat of the T across. Good. Oh, it's good. And next, the best color. Oh, it's good. It's the best. Green. Green frogs. It's good. Favorite color. 1, 2, 3. Green crayon up. It's good. And start here at X marks the spot. Go straight down. Nice. And then lift and go the top of the T. Kids, you just made an uppercase T, T. The name of the letter is T. The sound of the letter is T. Again, the name of this letter is T, T, and the sound of the letter is T, T. That's it. Do it, Freddie. Uppercase T, 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 T. That's it. You got it. Oh, thank you. This is good. Very nice. And now we just did the uppercase big letter T, T. Yeah. But now we want to do the lowercase little letter T, T. Okay. Freddie's ready to show you. Got it. Now, everybody, let's find where X marks the spot on the lowercase little letter T, T. I got it. Yeah, point it out with Freddie, kids. Okay, he's got to go back to his job. Yeah. Oh, very nice. Okay, everybody, let's start at X marks the spot with our yellow crayon. 1, 2, 3, yellow crayon up. Good. And go ahead and start at X marks the spot that you found with Freddie. Yeah. Straight down, lift, and then come across the middle. Trace that red dot middle line area. Lift. You just made a lowercase little letter T, T. Okay, next orange. 1, 2, 3, orange up. Nice. Start at X marks the spot up here. Straight down, lift. Cross at the middle. Ooh, so nice. And next one. Green. Oh, it's good, good, good. Yes, I know. You love this color. Yeah. And start at X marks the spot. Down, lift, and across. Kids, you just made the lowercase little letter T. T. Good. Freddie, show me which is the big one. Show me the lowercase. Okay, ready? Alrighty. Okay, next, I want you to tell me if this big letter, uppercase T, ta, and kids, that's when I talk to Freddie, that means you too. Yeah. Is T, ta, uppercase, the big letter, upstairs? Yeah. Is lowercase T, ta, in the downstairs? Yeah. Is uppercase big letter T, ta, in the basement? No. Good, very nice. How about this one? It's also a T. It looks a little different, but this one's called the uppercase big letter, and this one is called the lowercase little letter. Okay. Is it upstairs? Yeah. Good. Freddie and kids, is it downstairs? Yeah. Is the lowercase little letter T in the basement? No. Good job, everybody. Yeah, that's good. On the count of 3, I want you to show me your T's. On 1, 2, 3, hold it up. Oh, so good. Good, 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 good. Oh, Freddie, he loves seeing your work, kids. Be sure and put it back on your desk or table. And next we want to do the pictures, because each of these pictures starts with the letter and the sound T, 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 teeth. That one here's pointing to the tub. T, T, tub. Got it. Oh, there's another one. T, T, table. T, got it. T, T, T. Oh, this is so nice. T, 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 T. Now, kids, I want you to say it with Freddie, you and Freddie. I'll say it once and then you say it. I'll say the name of the letter, which is T, and the sound of the letter is T. Okay. T, 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 T. Oh, you keep getting better, Freddie. That was great. Thank you. Oh, that was so good. It's good. Thank you. And next we like to do the sounds of the alphabet up to the letter T. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. Ready? Okay, ready? Yeah. Ready? A, 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 A. B, 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 B. C, oops. C, K, C, K. Oops, I keep dropping. D, 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 D. Oh, this is harder. E, Oh, see how this comes down out to the side, and the top and bottom of your lips stay close together. E, E, that was really good, Freddie. F, 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 F. Good. Everybody do it with Freddie. G, 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 G. That was good too. H, 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 H. I, I. Oh, that worked out great. J, 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 J. K, 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 K. L, O, L, oh, okay, that was pretty good. You're working on it, Freddie. I am good. M, M, that was good. N, 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 N. Oh, it was really good. O, ah, make a circle with your mouth. Oh, ah, that was great. P, 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 P. Good job. Q, 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 Q. Good job. R, 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 R. That's good. S, 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 and T, 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 T. Oh my goodness, Freddie, you did so good. Ah, that was great. Thank you. Kids, and we're having such a good time. It is so nice seeing you. And we'll have to let you go so you can do some other things for play. But we always like to end our time with another wonderful Ziminy song. And we always wait for to go. Dun 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 dun. Let's go. Ziminy see ya, Ziminy say. So nice seeing you, a marvelous day. Oh yeah. See you next time. We get to play all the days. Ziminy see.